All right, so here in this box is a package of 3 what look like cool looking witches. So this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I needed some cool new decorations for the Halloween season. It's not quite that time yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, do a temporary install, see if they're any good, then I'll put them away for Halloween. But in the meantime, I'll tell you what it's like to set them up, quality of them once they're up, and I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I think of them. All right, let's set them up. Okay, so you saw me just put them together. They kind of look a little okay from here. When you look at them up close though, the quality is really kind of I mean, look, he even has holes in it. There's glue, you can see like the glue. These hardly look like real hats. You can see where it was glued on, and it's all glued in like a very inconsistent way, like they're not all 3 the same. But now you have a fair view of what they look like right out of the box with a 2-second setup. What we'll do is we'll come back in a little bit when it gets dark out. We'll turn them on so you can see the full effect, and we'll make a decision at that point. Okay, so I'm gonna give these 3 a 2 out of 5 on the Doug score. I have to say they are fairly lightweight, shoddy construction. They are easy to set up, and they are effective. They're doing what they're supposed to, and I will say, from a distance, they do look like the characters they're supposed to be, so, you know, it's not a total fail, but I definitely expected more from them than what they are. In any case, hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.